In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sum your values based on your drop-down selections here in Google Sheets. So if you're trying to get the sum of your drop-down selections, but your drop-down is a special kind of drop-down where the choices actually have text in them, you won't be able to use the sum function to get the total because the sum function only recognizes values instead of text. So these drop-downs are actually text. We start our sum function right here and select that range. You'll see that our preview is already a 0. So how do we do this? Well, first, because these are text, what we're going to do is to just split them first. So put in split right here, select that range, comma, and select your delimiter, which is just a space. Press enter, and here we have it. Drag that formula down, and there we go. Now we have some value errors right here because we don't have anything selected on those drop downs. So in any case that those are empty, what we can do is to, again, edit our formula and add in the if function. So with our if function, we are going to put in the len function to determine which of our selections right here are actually empty. So I'm going to close that off. If that is greater than 0, then it will give us this value if it's true. And if it's false, then we are just going to have an empty cell. If I press enter right here, then drag the same formula down, there we have it. Instead of errors, we have these blanks. Our next step would be to encapsulate everything into an array formula that will allow us to sum everything. So again, let's put everything in an array formula. Just press Ctrl Shift and enter on your keyboard. There you have it. And again, before the array formula, we're going to be adding the sum function. Press enter, and there you go. So we have a total of 20 oranges right here with our selected range. But we do have to include the word orange because it is part of our selection. So what we're going to do is just go to the end of our formula and concatenate the word orange. So put in the ampersand, quotation marks, space, oranges, closing quotation marks, and press enter. Now we can just remove everything else. And here we have the sum of our values based on our selections right here. So that is a total of 20 oranges. Now what if we added something right here? There you have it. Now we have 23 oranges. What if this was just 1 orange instead of 7? Now we have a new total of 17 oranges. And there you have it. So trying to get the sum of our values, especially with these types of data, it can be tricky, but it's not impossible. And if you still need extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.